Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a double crochet stitch. Alright, so in our last video we learned how to do a single crochet. So this row we're going to be doing a double crochet. Alright, so maybe I should just teach you how to start it from scratch. Alright, let's just start over. Alright, so first you're just going to want to make a couple foundation chains. One, two, three, four, five. Alright, so we're going to start with 10. Alright, so starting a double crochet. So a single crochet, you just stick the hook in, yarn over, then you have 2 loops and then go through that. A double crochet, alright, so you made your foundation chain, so then you're going to yarn over. Okay, you're gonna want to yarn over like you're making a foundation chain or something, and you're going to want yarn it over. Even if it's the first time, you might have to put your finger there so it doesn't, but you put, this is the first stitch right here. So with the loop, you have 2 loops on here, and you stick it in just like you're making this any other stitch. Okay, so now you have 3 loops on the hook. Okay, so you want to yarn it over. You want to go through only 1 loop, so you're going to go through only this loop. Okay, this loop. Now you got 3 loops still on the hook, so you're going to yarn over again. You're going to only go through 2 loops this time. So these first 2 loops right here and this one, yarn over, go through those 2. Now you have 2 loops left, so yarn over again, and then you go through both of them, the last 2 ones, like that. That is a double crochet. So let's do it again. You yarn over first. When you're making a double crochet, you always yarn over first. Here's the second stitch right here. You put it in like that. You have 3 loops on your hook. You always go through just that first loop. You have 3. You yarn over again and only go through the first 2 loops. That leaves you with just 2 loops left. You yarn it over again and you pull through both of them. Okay, that is a double crochet. Show you again. You yarn over first, you stick it in to make it 3 loops. You yarn over, only go through the first one to still have 3. You yarn over again to go through only the first 2 loops, like that, to make it 2. Yarn over again and then go through both of them. Okay, one last time. Yarn it over, put it in the chain, yarn it over again, only through the first loop. Again, only through 2, and then 2. Okay? I think you should get that right. Again, yarn it over, put it in the loop. You have 3, yarn it over, go through 2, go through 2. Okay? Then I'm going to just show you these last stitches. Alright, this is the last one. Got 2 more stitches left. Okay, that is how you do a double crochet. Simple and easy. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, ciao, bye.